We want your experience with Molly Maid to be carefree. So don't worry if you won't be home on the day of your scheduled clean. In fact, most of our customers are not home when we arrive for their cleaning. Keep in mind, we only hire caring workers who can legally work in the United States. Plus, all of our employees undergo a comprehensive background check and are fully insured. If you're not home on the day of your clean, there are several options for how the team accesses your home. You can decide whether to provide us with a key or your garage access code. We do this to avoid any additional charges you could incur if you're not home and therefore cannot gain access to perform your cleaning. All house keys are tagged, secretly coded, and stored securely in a locked box in our office. The key must be checked out by your assigned team on the morning of service and checked back in at the end of the day.